introduce you to them.
What now?
Because, and this here is Jed Jr. I don't know if Jed's the father, but he better be or he's going to beat me more. So right here, we got Kevin. Tell about your hat swapping party.
I had to get a new hat when I lost all my eyebrows.
No, but what happened? Why did you have to stop having hat swapping parties?
My family used to get together and we used to have these hat swapping parties every week. And then we had to stop once we all started getting lice. And some of us got pubic lice.
And right here, next we have Scott. And Scott has a lot of sons and what? I think he likes to think he's the father in Jed.
Jed knows where it came from. Jed knows where it came from.
But he just likes Jed because he likes to beat cinnamon.
That baby's got a hat on.
This baby's got a hat on. Let's get a look at his shirt, because this is what every American should be thinking about as proud American.
I tell you what, I'm proud to be an American. I'm proud.
You're proud
to be an American.
Or at least I know I'm free.
And I'm proud to call this land my home.
Okay, we're going to come back to them, but we're going to go see some other people. How many minutes? Okay. Right here we have Joshua, and he just recently. Everyone thinks Jed is their baby. I don't know what's going on.